So now let's see how we can arrange out clips inside of our cut view right here. So I'm going to go around and create out a new timeline, and I'm just going to go around and say tutor tube example over here. So once I do that and click on create, you can see an empty timeline right here. So you can see a timeline on the top right here and a timeline at the bottom right here. And we are in the cut mode. The edit timeline mode is a different timeline, as you can see, and this is something we're going to talk about later on, but I'm just going to go around and click on cut right here. We are going to talk about edit timeline in further videos. So let us go on to the cut timeline right here, and once I go around over here, I'm going to go inside of videos, and let's say I want to bring in this clip right here. So cut timeline is basically a rough cutting area where you can arrange out the clips in order. So you can go around and click and drag it, and you can see that there's this image right here. Similarly, you can go around and bring in the video onto this timeline over here as well, onto the mini timeline, and this is what you see. So here you can see that there's this timeline right here, just like this. So there's this video, and there's this audio, not an audio, but there's this image right here. So I'm going to click on this and press the delete key to delete out the timeline content right here. So you can go around right here, click and drag to navigate around the timeline as well. So I'm just going to go around and bring in this clip right here, and you can see that it gets arranged out right here. You can click and drag this out right here, just like this, however you like. You can go around onto this clip right here, set an in and out point to the video over here, just like this as well. So let me just set an in point, an out point, and delete out the video right here, just like this. And you can see that I can bring in that portion of the video over here as well. So let me just go around onto the nature, and here you can see that in and out point is already selected for this, so I can bring that in right here. I can click and drag it and bring it in between right here as well. So I can leave a clip in between, as you can see, and then the clip is added in between. You can go around and click and drag around the clip right here from left to right, so forth, just like this, and then work around with that as well. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So over here, you can see that this is the timeline, and you can also set the in and out of the timeline right here by clicking and dragging. And you can see that there's this video right here. So you can click and drag, and you can see that I can cut off the beginning portion of the timeline, of this clip right here. I can do this over here on the big timeline or the small timeline, as you can see, just like this. You can go around and insert out videos right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and select this as an in point by pressing I and O right here to select the out point. And if you want to move it on to the center right here, you can see that there's an arrow right over here. You can also go around and use these tools. For example, you can append right here and add it onto the end, as you can see. So once you press append, it goes around onto the endmost area right here. But if I were to go around right here, just like this, onto this area, apart from append, you can see that there's insert in between over here as well. Smart insert, which inserts everything out in between right here. So over here, there's different things over here, as you can see. So there's source override, there's place on top over here. So if I were to go around over here and click on place on top, then you can see that the video gets placed over here on the top, just like this. And now you can go around over here, and then you can change around the in and out point by clicking and dragging, and you can see that this is what you have. So that is how you can work around with timeline clip arrangement inside of Davinci Resolve, inside of the cut view of the application. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.